One time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment all Forex fans around the world have been waiting for. It's time! Hey guys, this is Oussama, expert Forex trader and mentor. Welcome to the FX220 YouTube channel. I'm back at it again with a new trade and a new video for you guys. I hope you all are doing very well. Today, we took a trade on Euro USD, which is one of my favorite pairs. Most of you guys know that by far from my videos. Let's start by analyzing this trade. So first off, we try to determine the trend direction. So the euro been falling for the past week. Markets have been like very choppy for the past few weeks, and it's been a bit difficult to get more trading opportunities when there is a lot of indecision in the markets and markets going sideways, but you can still grab like a couple of trades, 2 to 3 trades per week, and take advantage of them. So clearly the euro been falling hard. We have a downtrend simply by you can look at the EMAs or the lower lows that market kept making. So today, Asian session, we had some consolidation, that market went back up. We had these were like the false moves of the open of the London session, and then we had our M formation. So around this time, when we already know that this is a downtrend, we simply wait for our pattern formation. So when I saw this M formation forming, I went through the criteria. As you may already know, guys, we have a very specific criteria and checklist that we go through before we take any of our trades. That's gonna ensure for us that we're taking a valid winning trade. So as long as we follow this criteria and we don't break any rule in it, the trade is gonna be like in the money 100%. And we follow that, we simply follow that. So we avoid taking all the false trades, we filter out all the bad trades, that's gonna obviously end up in losing trades or bad outcomes, and we refine the most, like the highest probability trades and setups with the most ideal entries. So as you can see, the entry was very minimal drawdown. Market, our take profit was 24 pips. When market reached our take profit, I closed it manually. So this trade was like pretty quick. It took 1 hour or so. It's like it was very fast, and it's as simple as that, guys. When you really know how to determine the setups and go through the criteria and checklist and take these valid trades, it becomes simple. You just make this ideal entry and you take it. So this was like 24 pips. You take like a couple of these trades per week, and it's enough. Like 20 to 60, 70 pips per week is more than enough. I mean, this trade could be like anyways from like $1,000 to $2,400 or more, and you basically make that in an hour and you're done with your week. Notice here, guys, how this trade stopped exactly at our level. This is how accurate our key levels are. That's why we draw them. In our top-down analysis, we have like an approach when we analyze our currency pairs from the highest time frames possible, let's say the monthly to the lowest time frame, and draw all our key levels. And we have many specific tools that we apply to the market. So when we trade on the 15-minute time frame, our charts are ready and We just refine the most accurate ideal entries that's gonna like be basically easy and simple trades, as you can see right here. From the first time I started teaching and making these videos, I wanted to share this philosophy about trading, that you don't have to catch hundreds of pips or stay in a very long trades, handle very big drawdowns. There is a better path for this to make your living out of trading, which is taking only a few great trades per week and dropping more risk on them, on percentage and on lot sizes. This will generate more income for you, more returns, more than like if you follow the traditional style of swing trading that you have to hold for 200 pips, 300 pips. This can be impossible sometimes simply due to market volatility. Okay, the market is not always going to be very volatile when they give you these 200 pip moves, 300 pip moves, but most of the time it's volatile enough to give you these 20, 30, 40, 50 pips, and we can take advantage of that when we take these very accurate trades. And when your win rate is very high, you can really take advantage of this style of trading to really grow your account and make like significant consistent returns. I mean, these setups are very simple. I've been teaching them for a long time now to over like 300 students or more, and they have all been able to learn how to trade them successfully and take these entries. So it's really such a waste of you miss this opportunity and pass on it when it's this simple. It only takes you to understand the method first, understand what's behind it, what's the reasons behind our trades, why we take them, and how exactly we take them step by step, which is already covered in the method. And then it gets very simple when you apply your top-down analysis. You wait for your trades to happen, you go through the criteria, and boom, you take the trade and you call it a day. You go enjoy your life. This is like what I've been doing lately. I wasn't trading very actively because I've been doing this for so many years. Sometimes I just need to take some time off. It gets like really boring sometimes. But many of my students relate to this as well. So when you trade like actively for many months, I've been trading like actively for the past years. So sometimes it gets boring catching pips, all right? But I always miss it. So I always come back and I always trade again. And I want to share these videos with you guys so you can basically do the same thing. You don't have to struggle, I mean, or work like jobs that you hate, or when you can learn like a skill set like this that can basically set you free. Luckily, this is what I've been able to teach my students and share with them, and I'm very happy and blessed for that. Thanks everyone, for the guys that's been sending me messages asking about me and everything. I've been active on social media as well, so I never like take time off from supporting my students and mentoring. I just took some time off from making videos and now I'm back. So to recap everything for our new followers and the new traders that just joined us. So this is basically our method. We trade on the 15-minute time frame. You look for the trend direction first after applying your top-down analysis and everything, and then you wait for your valid setups, the valid high probability setups that we trade. And then when market presents you our confirmation candle and our ideal entry, you're in, you take the trades, and that's it. Boom, the trade hits your take profit and you go enjoy your day, just like I'm going to do. So I'm gonna hit my workout and see you guys on the next one. Take care. This is FX220.